problems often encountered when entering or exiting large parking lots? Do you face issues like difficulty differentiating between internal and external vehicles, frustration with long queues, or challenges in tracking vehicle entry and exit records? Dahua SMB Solution Vehicle Entrance and Exit can help solve all of this. With this solution, you prevention of unauthorized vehicle entry, get a seamless, non-stop access experience, and easy retrieval of vehicle access records through visual verification.